Hi everyone, I am downtown St. Augustine, the oldest city in the USA, and behind me is actually the oldest house in St. Augustine, so I'm going to go on a little tour later on. Just because I'm local, we can still be tourists. So I'll be in tourists and being the oldest city in USA, I'm going to show you guys how to load this camera. This is a Canon Rebel 2000. Just because it says 2000, it did not come out in 2000. It came out in 1999. So let's keep it vintage and I'll show you how to load this camera. Can you see? So first thing first, if you could see, kind of see, pop that button. Once it, there you go. Open, ready to go. Let me get the film. This is film I'm using today. Oh, there it is. Focus, focus. Black and white. Figured being in the oldest city in the USA, let's get a little spooky if you do black and white. There's a container. Alright, let's load it. Can you see? First thing first, get that film in there. See it? Now you gotta roll. Oh. Alright, let's close it and hear the magic words or sounds. Alright, we're ready to film. Oh, look at the right area. We got it. Alright, let's take some pictures. Alright, the film is loaded. Ready to go. There's the house. We'll see what we can get. Bright morning, a little chilly, but nothing better than bringing the film cameras.